Welcome back, guys. On this video I am going to teach you guys how to withdraw your Athene token to your Metamask wallet. Few months ago I made a video on this particular Athene telling you guys the airdrops I'm gonna be mining currently, and during that time I did not only mine Athene, I also bought some Athene. And if I can tell you that the value of Athene I have bought for less than 300k is now worth close to 3 million, you won't believe it. When Athene price was so up, I sold some of them and left some. And guys, this project has been proven to be steadfast and strong in what they are doing. First of all, they follow their roadmap very well, and something very massive is gonna be coming out on this project. So if you haven't started on Athene, make sure you get started right now. And if you're already farming Athene and is not serious with it, you better become serious now, because the whole thing is becoming clear on the eyes of man. A lot of you have been reaching me on the recent development of Athene. You know, Athene made an announcement recently that we should withdraw our token to Metamask. By the way, Athene has been listed on ATX exchange. This is to tell you that something huge is coming. So I am here in this video to show you guys how to do it, because if you don't know how to do it, you will find it very hard to do it. Some of you have already attempted it but can't see their coin on Metamask. This video is going to correct everything. I am going to show you why you are not seeing it on Metamask, and I am also going to show you what you are gonna do so that you start seeing it immediately. So make sure you stick around on this video and do not go anywhere, because each part of the video, even any seconds in the video, carries a very important information you won't afford to lose. So guys, follow me up and don't make mistakes. The first thing is to head over to Metamask. Then you log in. You can either log in with your fingerprint or your password. So let me pause the video and then log in with my password. Now on your Metamask wallet, the next thing is this address you have here under the main address. Click on it. It doesn't matter whatever address is there, because the address of Metamask is always one. So just click on it and then head back to Athene app. The next thing you are required to do is to click on your wallet. As you can see how many Athene I have here, guys. I have 2031 worth of Athene. I have sold some of them. You know, I need to sell it and enjoy a little bit of my money, you know now. So but I left this one so that when our darling Athene launches, I'm going to enjoy more. I want you to follow me duly on this video and act fast, because you are meant to do this from now till 15th October. After 15th October you can still do it, but fees will be charged. When you click on wallet, you're gonna see the option that drops down above before you see how much you have on your Athene balance. Over there you have your options. You're gonna see send, receive, history, deposit, withdraw, airdrop. Click on withdraw. Now when you click on it, you're gonna see this interface. Now how much are you withdrawing? You have the tendency to withdraw half of your funds. As I have 2031 tokens here, I can decide to withdraw 500, I can withdraw 200, I can even withdraw 1000. But on this case, I am withdrawing everything. I'm not leaving anything here. So let me withdraw everything, guys. Now on this place you have wallet address. Click on it and then paste the address you have from the Metamask. And the network here is Athene Platinum. Alright, no other network at the moment. So we click on confirm. When we click on confirm, a box shows up. The next thing is to click on send OTP. Now an OTP will be sent to the email you use in opening your Athene. And at this point, let me go and pull out the OTP from my email. So guys, as you can see, we have 0458 and 07. So after inputting that, you click on confirm, guys. Okay, so immediately you do that, you are going to see a prompt message acknowledging the withdrawal. As you can see, it says the system has acknowledged your withdrawal request and it will take few minutes to process. Your balance will be refunded if any errors occur. Now listen guys, this might not go exactly at first trial. It might be showing you that system is busy, that you should try later. If you are getting this type of message, keep trying. can always space it 30 minutes, come back to the app and try again. Definitely it will go. The reason for that is that a lot of people are also doing the same thing. So the server of the app is congested, and on top of that, the app is also updating some features. Now let me click on confirm. Immediately I click on confirm. As you can see, my balance is now 0.0018. That is 0.00818. So if I go back here, when you look at my balance, you are not gonna see the 18 I had here before. If you see this kind of thing, it means that your Athene token has left your wallet and is now already in your Metamask wallet. But if you go to your Metamask wallet, you are not going to be seeing this Athene token there. And this is where a lot of people get stuck and confused. So I am going to teach you what you are going to do so that your Athene token appears on your Metamask wallet immediately. So guys, join me. Let's go there. The next thing is to go back to your Metamask wallet. On your Athene wallet, you click on browser. Then head over to your address bar on the top of your phone and then write. I am going to put this in the description of this video also. So you write Parthenon.AtheneScan.io. You click on it. Immediately it brings out the page. What you're gonna see is the Athene testnet. And mind you guys, whatever you withdraw to this Metamask, when the mainnet shall be launching, they're gonna be giving you the coin on the ratio of 1:1. So what do I mean by this? Anything you withdraw now from your Athene to Metamask, that is what you're gonna be getting upon the launching of Athene. Now once you are here, click on this wallet icon, then select Metamask. Okay, then click on connect. Connected and active. This is the first step. The next thing is for you to click on this icon you are seeing at the top right hand side here. When you click on it, then you are going to be seeing settings icon that is just narrowly beside the address you are seeing over there as indicated. Now click on it. Then the next thing is for you to go ahead and click on this first and foremost option you are seeing here, the option right above the activity option. Click on it. The next thing is for you to click on this Athene Parthenon logo you are seeing here. Immediately you click on it, it will search and bring out this for you. As you can see, it has brought out the details that is required for you to be seeing your network on the Athene. As you can see, look at the chain. You will now see that they're going to be giving you the details of adding your Athene Parthenon on your app. As you can see, a lot of things here. You can see the chain network and you can see the chain ID. Then after this, you click on confirm. Then switch network. Click on got it. At this time, you have already added your Athene Parthenon to your Metamask. So the next thing we are going to do now is to go ahead and make our Athene token to appear on our Metamask. So guys, join me. Let us do this. Make sure you are following me step by step. You can always rewind this video in any place you don't understand. You can be using this video to be doing it one after the other. And remember guys, make no mistakes. So let us continue. So now, how do we add our token to Metamask and see the value we have withdrawn so far? Now what you are needed to do is to go ahead and click on this particular option at the top left hand corner of your screen. Click on it, then click on tokens. Once you click on it, you are going to be greeted with this interface. The next thing you are required to do is to click on this small Metamask icon. Just tap on it. When you tap on it, it will bring out the option for you to add token. As you can see, look at what we have here. Look at the amount I just withdrew before. That is 2031.22. You see that, guys? You see that everything is working on smooth. If you are grabbing value from this video, why don't you smash the like button? Destroy it, guys. Then don't forget to subscribe to the channel and make sure you turn on the bell button for you to be receiving mind-blowing updates like this. Let us click now on add token. Imported token. Successfully imported Athene. This is actually the final stage of this particular process. So for you to see your Athene token, you come back and click on this wallet down below the screen. When you click on it, as you can see, we now have our Athene network in front of our Metamask. As you can see, look at my balance over there, 2031.22. So guys, this is how to send your Athene token to your Metamask wallet and wait for its listing. As you can see, this should tell you that these people are serious with what they are doing. So I want you to take Athene very, very seriously now, because something huge is about to happen. I have been mentioning this, I have been saying this, that something huge is about to happen on Athene network. So make sure you take it seriously, guys. If you have done this, congratulations, because you are now ready for the testnet, which will come after that. We will now have the mainnet, in which all the tokens you transferred here will be directly transferred to the mainnet, which you can be able to withdraw it with ease. So guys, if this video tickles your fancy, just go to the comment box and drop a very nice comment. Till then, see you guys on my next video.